Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. We're having a look at the euro dollar. Just go out quickly to the daily, get a bit of a perspective. Okay, the thing to be mindful of is this price gap. At some stage it's going to look to rebalance. Let's just mark that up. We'll call that a daily price gap, 1D. Now just be careful, everything is well and truly overextended at the moment. And a retrace back up in here wouldn't be out of the question. So let's just have a look at that. Okay, daily. I mean, it can take time as well, but if we grab, you look at this move here and this gap, there it is. The price gap here, bit of a thing here as well, didn't quite touch. But at some stage, this will look to, and you grab a Fibonacci, pull it down. Here's the thing. I would grab the fib, high to low, 61.8, bingo. Bingo. Fibonacci, high to low, 61.8, look at that. Grab a Fibonacci, high, we'll just go from here, high to low. All right, price gap in here, 61.8. All right, so it's possibility. All right, so you want to be careful if you're shorting this. Just note that at some stage smart money is going to look to go for a bit of a liquidity grab, and a pullback up in here would definitely, well, it's not out of the question. So 4-hour chart, in any case, I'm looking for a day trade today, Wednesday the 28th. We've got this daily price gap above, so I'm just going to mark that up on the chart, keep it there so I'm aware that that's something. We've also got 4-hour. Yep, you can mark up these 4 hours as well. This through here, so that's a 4-hour. Okay, so a nested imbalance, I guess you could call it. So we'll just mark that up. So 4H price gap and above that as well. But I mean, this would be the level for me that I'm mainly interested in. In any case, I'm looking to short this. Just looking at this move here, a bit closer to home. If we go down to 30-minute chart. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, click the link below and join my Discord group. It's free to join. You're more than welcome. There's a lot of stuff going on in there. It's great value. So on this time frame, well, we've got a 4-hour distribution level back here. I marked up on the higher time frame. And then we've got this 1-hour level, this green candle here prior to this move. All right, so this is what I'm interested in at the moment. We could see this move back up into these levels here. All right, so if you're looking to short this, just be a little bit careful and be mindful that we have a price gap here. Right, now this could look to seek liquidity above. It's kind of already had a bit of a go at it. It's tapped into, above this range here, trading down now. But yeah, just be careful. This can turn around and wick back up in here. But I'm looking to short this. I actually do have a position open at the moment around this level, and I will look to add to my position if this pulls back further. So with that in mind, actually, if we go back out to the 4-hour, I'll give you my thing with this. So a short, you could look to average in up here, but I'll just place that in that's about where I entered. The stop loss, I'm going to go above this previous high, just give it a little bit of room, something like that. Down to the 15-minute. Let's get a bit closer to it. Yeah, I mean, something like that could work. But again, just be careful. Risk management is always key. Stop loss, if it gets taken out, all good. I'm not worried about that at all. If this happens to continue down, then I'm going to be looking for, if we grab this, 1700 is the London Open. So we're trading into the London Open. So it'll be interesting to see whether this wicks up or down into the London Open here. We'll just mark that up. Start London session. By the way, I've also got a video in the link below on building or growing a Forex or prop firm account. Definitely well worth watching, guys. Check that out. Okay, so we're trading down into the London Open. Times to be, if you've already entered here, times to be aware of would be if we go over here, 1900 my time, the Asia close, and just watch how this trades around these times. Okay, so it looks like we're trading down into this. This could rotate and trade back up and then look to find liquidity above around the Asia close. Possibly, I mean, you know, I'm just assuming, but you know, you just got to have a look and see what's likely or what's possible and work around that. So 2200, that's the New York Open. So I'll be looking at these times for opportunities, right? So I've already shorted this. Who knows? I mean, if it trades all the way down here, that could be an opportunity to take some profit and see how it trades. But I'll definitely be looking to short this. I'll build my position up in around here. If it goes back up and rotates around here, possibly look to enter and go for an extended move. So guys, that's my take on the euro dollar at the moment. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Click the links below, join Discord. See you in the next video.